जय गुरुदेव एवरीवन। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है और गुरु ही भगवान शंकर है। गुरु ही साक्षात परब्रह्म है। ऐसे गुरु को मैं शत शत प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Pranam children, in this session we are going to learn the remaining two representative values of the data collection, that is mode and median. We had already learned about mean, we had also done the sums regarding the means. Now in this session we are going to learn these two representative values, that is mode and median. Okay, now to understand that mode and median we need to have one example. Let's take one example, that the weight of student of class 7. Okay, weight of students of class 7. Let us begin that. If we find out first student has 42, then the second student it may 53, somebody is very fat, then it will be 64, then again it will be 50, then again it will be 42, then again it will be 59, then again it will be 60. So in this way we have find out the weight of 7 students of class 7, that is 42, 53, 64, 50, 42, 59, 60, in this way. Okay. Now to find out the mode, we need to find out that which observation is occurring मोस्ट ऑफन, यानी कि कौन सा ऑब्जर्वेशन सबसे ज्यादा बार आ रहा है. तो इट इज बेटर इफ यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. लेट अस बिगिन विद फ्रॉम 42 2 टाइम इट इज, सो वी कैन राइट हियर 42, 50, 42 के बाद आएगा 50, देन 53, देन 59, उसके बाद 60, then 64. So we can understand that 42 is occurring 2 times. Rest all the numbers are only one time. 42 is occurring 2 times. So mode is, as per the definition, mode is the number which often occur, or most often, which occur most often. So mode is here our 42. So in this way we can find out the mode. To find out the mode we have to see that which number is occurring the most. ठीक है, most often कौन सा नंबर सबसे ज्यादा बार आ रहा है, that is our mode, and this is the way to find out the mode. Now median we need to find out. Again from median, for median the formula is we can say number of observation plus 1 upon 2 this much tth observation. Means we can also say that the median is the middle observation. Middle observation means जो सबसे सेंटर में आ रहा है, और सबसे सेंटर में आने के लिए आ रहा है वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन प्लस 1 करके उसको डिवाइड बाय 2 करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ से भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं मीडियन कैसे निकालेंगे, जो सबसे सेंटर में आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो अब हमें ये करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन कितना है 7 + 1/2 th ऑब्जर्वेशन 7 + 1/2 यानी कि 8/2 pH ऑब्जर्वेशन, दैट इज फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन। अब हमारा फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन कौन सा है? फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग इनटू डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। सबसे पहले इसको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट करना है फाइंड आउट मीन के लिए। उसके बाद नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन प्लस 1/2 जो निकलता है दैट मच ऑब्जर्वेशन, दैट इज 1 2 3 एंड 4 हियर 53। सो मीडियन इज 53। अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, मोड फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ देखना है कि कौन सा नंबर सबसे ज्यादा बार आ रहा है। मीडियन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें करना है उसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, आइदर इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। देन वी हैव टू सी द मिडल ऑब्जर्वेशन। असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट कर देने के बाद उसका मिडल ऑब्जर्वेशन, मिडल मतलब सबसे बीच में कौन सा ऑब्जर्वेशन है, दैट विल बी द मीडियन। अगर सबसे ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्जर्वेशन है तो वी कैन गेट दिस फॉर्मूला, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन प्लस 1/2 TH ऑब्जर्वेशन, मतलब जो टोटल ऑब्जर्वेशन है उसमें 1 ऐड करके ये करो, ठीक है। नाउ लेट अस सी एक्सरसाइज 3.2 to understand this more और मीडियन को ज्यादा समझने के लिए let us see exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2 question number 1 is the score in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 student is as follows. Here the score in mathematics test are given. They are first one, here it is 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, again 20, then 15, 10, 5, 16, then again 25, 20, then 24, 12 and 20. So these are the marks of 15 students out of 25 in mathematics. Now the question is find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Okay, so first we have to find out the mode. But before that, if you are writing these marks here, first we need to, here it is given 15 students. So first we need to count whether our observation are 15 or not. ये इसलिए है कि आप कोई ऑब्जर्वेशन अगर भूल जाते हो तो पहले ही आपको पता चले, और अगर कोई आप ऑब्जर्वेशन भूल गए तो आपका मोड, मीडियन, मीन सब गलत निकलेगा। दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड टू काउंट इट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So it is 15, so no problem. Now we need to find out mode. So as we had discussed, अगर मोड हम ऐसे भी ढूंढे तो हमें मिल जाएगा, लेकिन इस तरह से अगर ढूंढने से क्या होगा, हमें कंफ्यूजन रहेगा। तो फर्स्ट वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू ascending order. Let us convert it into ascending order. So the smallest number here is 9. First we will write here 9. Sorry, the smallest number here is 5. So here we will write 5. First we will write 5. Then it is 9. So 9. Then 10. So 10. Then 12. We are going to write here 12. Then after 12 it is 15. So it is 15. Then 16. 16. Then after 16 it is 19. 19, then 20, 1 2 3 4. So 20 over how many time? 1 2 3 4 times 20 is there. Then after 20 we are getting here 23. 21 is not there. 22 to 23. then 24, then 25, 1 and 2 times. So 25, 25. Then again we need to count the observation here, that whether it is all 15 is there or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's all 15 are here. Now 5 here is 1 time, 9 1 time, 10 1 time, 20 1 time, 12 1 time, 15 1 time, 16 1 time, 19 1 time, 20 is 4 time, 23 1, 24 1, 25 is again 2 times. So but our mode is here, as we had discussed, mode means the most occurring number, that is our 20. So the mode is 20, क्योंकि 20 सबसे ज़्यादा बार है, 24 टाइम है, तो 20 अगर हम मीडियन निकालेंगे तो मीडियन विल बी, ये 15 है, 15 प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 th ऑब्जर्वेशन, तो 15 प्लस 1 यानी 16 बाय 2 th ऑब्जर्वेशन, 16 बाय 2 यानी कि 8 ऑब्जर्वेशन. So we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our median is also 20, क्योंकि 8 क्या है, this is the middle observation of this data, and so this is the median. Once again I am repeating it. Observations are given here. To find out mode and median, first we need to arrange them in ascending order, so that we can easily get that which number is how much time occurring. Then for median, again in ascending order, it is already done here. So 15 plus 1, total number of observation is 15. So 15 plus 1 upon 2 th observation, that is 8th observation. But we need to count and find out that 8th observation is 20. So 20 is the median. Now let us see question number 4. Question number 4 is find the mode and median of the data. Here data is given, that is 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14, 12, 14, 13, 14. So these are the observation given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here are the observation given. Total 9s are there in textbook. So here also we need to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 are there here. Now we have to find out its mode and median. So first find out, for finding mode, first we need to convert them into ascending order. 12, 13, 12. First number will be your 12. 12 one time, 12 two times. So that will be 12. Then 13, 1, 2 times. 13, 13. Then 14, 1, 2, 3. So 14 here it will be 1, 2, 3. So 13 here is our 3 times. Then 16, 1 time. 16, then 19. Okay, so we can see that here 12 2 times, 3 times, 14 3 times is there. So our mode is 14. Here another method is also there to find out the mode. If this type of number is there, then we can get this frequency table also, that is 12. So 12 here is our 2 times. So 12, 1, 2, that will be 2 times. Then 13, first we will write number 12, 13, 14, 16 and 19. Again 13 is here our 2 times. So we are writing here 2, that will be again 2. then 14 here, 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 3, then 16 one time, so 1, here it will be again 1, then 19 again one time, so one time, so we can get that 14 is coming 3 times, and that is why the mode is, the most occurring observation is 14, and so the mode is 14. Okay, now let us see median. This is the frequency table. Frequency table, by frequency table also you can find out mode. Now let us see median. Median, we know that here total observation is 9 plus 1 upon 2 th observation. 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2 th observation, that is our fifth observation. So when we had converted into ascending order from there, fifth, so 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth observation here is our 14. So median is 14. The median is 14. So in this way you can find mode and median. So here we end our exercise 3.2. The rest of the sum, question number 2, 3 and 5, that is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. Thank you.